this is the hard drive, Enterprise 6 terabyte hard drive, Seagate. Let's open this baby. Let me discharge my static charge. Okay. All right. We also have. Okay, I have to get the cable. Let's take this out. This is where I'm going to install it. I don't even think I need anything other than. All right. It's in. Wow. Wow. Oh, this is great. You just have to make the connection for this one will go there. Right. So it could have like a 3 connection. So let's put this one in here. I'll go this way. Going fine. Okay. Now I have to connect the data cable. So let me get the data cable. All right, this is the data cable. Okay. Actually, there were 2 of them in there. All right, which one would be the most appropriate? They have this one, and they got this one here. All right, let's see. Which would be more appropriate? If I put this in, okay. Let's see how it's gonna be connected to the motherboard. It's probably from here. Okay. Yep. And the rest is gonna go in there. Oh, everything has to go through here. Let's see. Oh man, take this out too. connection for that one. All right, let's see if I can put this back. This one is gonna through here. This one. Alright, let me, instead of wasting a video, let me just stop it right here and I'll show it afterwards. Alright, so I figured that out, that in order to have these wires connected, you have to put the hard drive the other way so that the connector are over here, otherwise this doesn't close because it doesn't have any room. There was no documentation or anything. I just figured it out myself. So that's how this is. So okay, so if in order to install another hard drive, I would just have to pull out these wire and use the connector on this one and install another data on this side, and that will do it. Okay, so hard drive is now installed. It is connected on over here. Okay, and as far as the wires are concerned, there are no wires here, so this is great. For the airflow that's going to come in, is going to have plenty of air, and to have the air go out this way and this way, so there is no obstruction of wires anywhere. So this is done. It's just a matter of plugging in, closing the cover here, and I have to install the DVD drive here. And for the DVD drive, I will need connection, which I will get it from here. Okay, actually I may have to put another referral. Oh, I might be able to get it. Let's see how much room this has. I may not even reach up there, so I would have to install another one. Wow. Okay. All right, that's a task that I gotta do. Okay. All right. So, all right, that's a task left, and then I'll close it up, and we'll have the wire ready for data as well as the power cable for DVD. Okay. All right.